Are you trying to decide between Librecad and FreeCAD? You are not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their design needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools. Both are free and open source, making them great options for anyone looking to create 2D or 3D designs without spending money. LibreCAD is mainly for 2D drafting. It's user friendly and perfect for creating floor plans, diagrams, and technical drawings. If you need something straightforward, LibreCAD is a solid choice. On the other hand, FreeCAD is designed for 3D modeling. It's more complex and allows for detailed designs, making it suitable for engineering and product design. If you want to dive into 3D, FreeCAD is the way to go. Now, let's look at the key differences. LibreCAD focuses on 2D, while FreeCAD is all about 3D. This means if your work is primarily in two dimensions, LibreCAD will suit you better. But if you need to create three-dimensional models, FreeCAD is your best bet. When it comes to features, LibreCAD offers tools for layers, snapping, and various drawing tools. FreeCAD, however, has more advanced options like parametric modeling, which lets you change designs easily. In terms of pricing, both tools are free. You can download and start using them right away without any cost. So, which one should you choose? If you need simple 2D designs, go with LibreCAD. But if you're looking to create complex 3D models, FreeCAD is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.